Good morning. My name is Isabell May. I will be remotely working with you on anything related to science and scientific writing. There's a few sessions that you'll have with me in the mornings over the next 3 weeks, and we will focus on all things related to science and scientific writing. And tomorrow, I'm recording this on Sunday, June 23rd, so based on my time, you must be in the midst of your first session already. So welcome and enjoy. I apologize for not being there with you in person. Logistics didn't allow me this year to come over to Egypt. I had a baby 8 months ago, beautiful little son called Thomas, and just with logistics around traveling with an infant and my husband's schedule and my schedule and other things that are going on, it just wasn't happening this year. So again, I really miss not being with you. I miss being with you, and I'm sorry that I can't be with you in person. A little bit about me. I'm originally from Germany, in case you're wondering about my accent. And I've lived in the United States now for, it'll be 20 years in August. Well, 2 years in those 20 years, I went back to Germany for 2 years. I came on a Fulbright scholarship to the United States in 1999. And I wasn't supposed to really stay all this time, but oh well, here I am, and I married an American citizen, so that kind of kept me here. My degree work is in American Studies and American History, so I earned my PhD in American Studies from the University of Maryland, College Park, in American Studies, as I said. So I'm not a scientist by training, but in my postgraduate career after my PhD, I worked a lot in learning and writing centers. And over the years, I've really started working a lot with social scientists, and then more and more also with STEM scientists, so folks in biomedical fields, medical researchers, folks in nursing, pharmacy, pharmacological area. So I've done a lot of work with both students, postdocs, and faculty writers in those fields. And I'm looking forward to working with you remotely this summer as well. At the University of Maryland, Baltimore, I actually direct the Writing Center, and I also am a faculty member in the Graduate School Science Communication Program. So I teach many classes on different aspects on science and scientific communication. Much of the material actually that I'm sharing with you comes from some of my workshops or classes I've given over the years. Of course, in this case, tailored particularly to your needs. If there's any topics that you would like me to provide some additional resources on that I don't have, please email me. I will post my email address in the Moodle platform. It's imay@umaryland.edu. But again, you can see I'll post it in the Moodle platform, so you have access to that, and you can email me with any questions. The way we've structured these writing sessions, basically I've recorded a number of videos on different topics. I try not to make them longer than 12, 13 minutes at the time, usually around 9 or 10. Some are shorter, some are a little longer. In between videos, I'm giving you some handouts that you guys can work on yourself to apply some of the things that I've covered in the videos, so you get some additional practice. So that should be fun. And of course, any questions you have for me, again, send me an email. I usually respond within 24 to 48 hours. So if you don't hear from me in like 2 or 3 days, please send me an email again. It might have gotten lost in my mailbox. What else? Oh yes, we're gonna try, Henry and I, to maybe Zoom me in live one of these days. So depending on the technology and connection, we might be able to do that. So I would be looking forward to that a lot, to actually work with you in real time rather than remotely or as we call it, asynchronously, not at the same time. I'm thrilled for you that you're participating in this wonderful program. I was in Egypt the first time 2 years ago. I participated the first time and loved the experience working with researchers like you, and of course loved being in Egypt. So I'm really sorry I'm missing out on that this year. Yeah, so I'm thrilled for you. It's a wonderful opportunity, and Henry and his colleagues are just phenomenal people, and I'm excited to work with them as well, and of course with you. So enjoy, and we will talk soon, and you'll hear me a lot. So you probably get tired of my voice pretty soon. Anyways, have a wonderful day, and we'll connect soon. Bye bye.